Hey, greetings. I wanted to, so Mr. Neff, I wanted to give you an example of a current event for this 2020 year. So just to quickly go over, this is my example number 2. I wanted to show you the criteria that I'm going to be looking at: knowing and understanding, either a mastery level, substantial level of knowing and understanding, it's satisfactory, it's okay, or it's too limited, or it's incomplete. Communication, mastery level of communication, following all the instructions; substantial level, following most of the instructions; satisfactory, following some of the instructions; limited tasks, following just a couple of them; and then my last point here is incomplete or unacceptable, so it does not actually meet anything. And then critical thinking, 8 points, mastery level; 6 points, substantial; 4 points, satisfactory, it's okay, personal analysis; and the critical thinking, it is limited, or it's too simple, or it is completely incomplete. So for this one is a story about Tesla and a sales record, which could get Elon Musk another huge payday. So I'm going to pull up the article here for you, and then I'll let you pause the video if you need help to read it, if you need time to read it. All right, I'm going to assume you paused the video and you had an opportunity to read it and sort of give it its own grade in your head. So if we're talking about knowing and understanding, this one talks about Elon Musk, the owner of Tesla, his fourth multi-billion-dollar payday, 112,000 cars, talking about how he had a shot for a record number of vehicle deliveries. Elon Musk sent out an email, talks about the timeline when it happened and that sort of thing, gives him lots of information about stock options. This is a pretty good and pretty informative current event, so I gave this one a 6. It's not great because it doesn't necessarily say what the quotes mean or sort of go into specific detail. It seems to be very sort of like copied over and that sort of thing, but like it's pretty substantial. In terms of things that it needs, it has a title and a topic, that's right here. It has a link, that's right here. It's got a quote, that's right here. It has more than 300 words, but its grammar is a little suspicious. So there's a loose period here. There's a period with no space in between it before the next sentence starts. These sentences do not quite make sense, so there's some grammatical issues, especially with capitalizing certain things. This gentleman's name needs to be capitalized. There needs to be a space here, etc. So I would give it a 6 for communication. When we are looking at their personal reflection, how they feel about it, what they think, there is no personal reflection here. This is just more information that has sort of been quoted from the actual article itself. There isn't any additional information. I don't know how this person feels about Elon Musk getting another billion-dollar payday. I don't know how he feels about he or she feels about Tesla. I don't know about the cars or anything along those lines. There's no personal reflection. They haven't put any thought into it. So I would give them a 0 for this one. So for knowing and understanding, this is a 6. For communication, this is also a 6. And then for personal reflection, it is a 0. All right, thank you for taking a look at this example.